The Independent National Electoral Commission Rivers State don tok say e never release the 2023 voters register to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission for the October 5 local government election. Resident Electoral Commissioner in the state, Johnson Alalibo, tok dis one for one tok-tok session with Tori pipo for Port Harcourt. E come also tok say di commission don dey instructed by di headquarters say make dem no release di documents based on one Abuja court order. Una go remember say one court order don come out early dis week wey direct di Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to release di voters register to Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission wey be for di conduct of di October 5 local government area election among others. While another order still come from one federal high court for Abuja wey come state the contrary. The INEC resident electoral commissioner in Rivers State, Johnson Alalibo, come reveal say the voters register for 2023 never dey with the state electoral commission wey follow the court order wey dem receive. The head of the public affairs of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, Tamuntoye Tobbins, come also admit say dem don receive the voters register since 2023.
The RSIEC has written to us about 2 times for release of register, but we have not released before we received from our headquarters an order from Federal High Court restraining INEC from releasing the register. So up to now, we have not officially handed over the Rivers State voters register to the RSIEC. We have not.
As we speak, we are already in possession of the 2023 updated voters register for the conduct of the October 5th local government poll in Rivers State. And that document was handed down to us by INEC since last year, between July and October 2023.
The Tony Okocha-led All Progressive Congress in Rivers State come talk say he go oppose the state governor over the proposed local government elections, as he talk say the election dey illegal on the ground say Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission don refuse to obey electoral laws.
What is it about? The reason about it is that they want to buckle the entire scenario. That is not our law. I'm saying again that we are drifting to a state of lawlessness in Rivers State. And we, members of the All Progressive Congress, we have exhausted all the legal means. We have seen that the governor is at the verge of adopting a self-right approach. Again, you will know that Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission and the Rivers State government has a penchant for disobedience to court orders, court judgments, and that is a recipe for crisis.
Under which law is that election about to be conducted? Which particular law? And what are the details of that law? The Foreign Secretary mentioned the issue of the mandatory 90 days window before elections are held. This is a government that was put on notice.
Despite the controversy, the Rivers State government dey hope say the October 5 election go hold. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Oluwa Titominsin Julius, TMC TV News.